Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter items by brand in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen and you will find there a search bar, and here you should write in an item that you need, for example shoes. Just press on it. And after doing so, you can see the filters option at the left side of the screen. You should just press on it. And you can see here the third option, which is brands. Now you can see a lot of brands here like Skechers, New Balance, Under Armour, Adidas, and you can select any of these brands if you want to. You can even select down there the Amazon Fashion, which is their brands basically, the premium brands or top brands. Now you just select one of these brands, for example Adidas, and you can see that that filter will be activated basically. And after that you will only see Adidas items in the searches. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.